Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make best out of waste key holder using waste pens. So let's get into the video. To make best out of waste key holder, we require the following things: brown and green paper, 22 waste pens, scissors, hot glue gun, and Fevicol. First, take the green paper and fold it into half till it becomes a thin strip. Now cut off the strips using scissors. After cutting, take all the strips and collect them together. Take the joint from where they are double and cut it using scissors. I have cut off all the strips. Now take the strip one by one and fold it into half till it becomes a small piece. Now with the help of scissors, cut it as shown. Remember that you do not cut the whole strip. After cutting, just open it and you will observe a design like this. Now wherever you see that the strips are little broader, trim them. After cutting all the strips, take one strip and cut small pieces as shown. After cutting all the pieces, take the pen, apply some glue over it and start pasting. Start pasting from the bottom so that you do not face any problem while pasting other strips. Similarly, cover the whole pen. I have covered 12 pens with this green strip. Now start pasting with the help of glue gun. Remember, the horizontal pen should not be covered. Now make more triangles under this first triangle. We have pasted 18 pens and now after pasting, apply the glue on horizontal pen and paste the remaining strips on it. Don't paste the strip on this middle pen. Now keep this aside and take the remaining 4 pens and arrange them as shown. Paste the pens with the help of glue gun. Now take any rectangular piece of paper and paste the 4 pens with the help of glue on it. Trim the edges but leave a small space on the top of it. Again, take the triangular piece and paste this with the help of glue gun as shown. Now paste the brown paper on the top with the help of glue. Now paste the remaining green strip. Now with the help of glue gun, paste the cap of pens on the edges where the two pens meet. Our best out of waste key holder using waste pens is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.